My name is Teddy. This is the purpose of my invention. So it helps other people wait. So it helps when they are bored, they have something to play with. This is how my invention works. So, these are the wings. So, when do you see this flat part? I put tape right here. I did just a straight line and put it on the end, and then I had little pieces. Did one. I had the end, and I had tiny pieces, and did tape, 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 and did all. This is This is the fire. The green like things on are the fire, and this is the tail of the plane, and these are the wings. That's the repel. And watch how it works. Let's redo that. That's how it works. Um, this invention will help others by giving